Let's talk about the recently launched Xiaomi smartphone Poco C65, with sleek and boxy design. Now, let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.74-inch HD plus dot-drop display, with resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, and with 20:9 aspect ratio, with 83.7% screen-to-body ratio, with approximately 260 ppi pixel density, and with 90 Hz refresh rate, with 600 nits brightness, and with Corning Gorilla Glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera, along with 2 megapixel macro camera, and with 0.08 megapixel auxiliary lens. For selfies it has 8 megapixel front camera. Video recording 1080p, 720p at 30 FPS on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of MIUI 14 for Poco screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone's CPU is octa-core 2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A75 plus 1.8 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, paired with Mali G52MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 256 GB of eMMC 5.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 168 by 78 by 8.1 mm, and it weighs around 192 grams, and the color options black, purple, blue, colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 18-watt PD fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with AI Face Unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5 mm headphone jack, and a USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Poco C65 has been priced in Pakistan for 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 44,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Xiaomi Poco C65 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.